To high pot or test the cable, first lower the min-max knob to the minimum position. Turn the dial to the test position. Now turn the machine on. Once the machine is on and you verify 0 voltage and 0 current, you can now test the cable by pushing the start button. You can now increase the voltage by turning the dial from the minimum position. Watch your voltage increase, and to determine if your cable is in fact faulted, you will see over max current, and you will notice that the voltage is maintaining at that position, and it will also tell you at what voltage your cable does go to ground. You can now turn the voltage all the way to minimum, push the stop button, and you are now ready to do the fault locating. To radar the cable, first take the min-max knob and turn it to about the 1 o'clock position. Switch the dial to the radar setting. Then check your voltages and set it to the lowest of the possible voltages and turn the machine on. The radar display will light up. After the setup is complete, it will auto-analyze the cable. While it's doing this, it is identifying where the end of the cable is. Right marker at open or end at 287 feet. To find out where the fault is in the cable, push the green start button. Here it is building voltage, and if the cable is faulted, it will discharge and show us where the fault is. Here it says right marker at fault at 146 feet. So now you have determined the distance to your fault. Now push the stop button. You can verify that there's no voltage left on the cable. Once you have verified the distance to the fault, next you will locate the cable path, send out a couple of members of your crew to the approximate distance to the fault, switch the setting from radar to thump, push the start button, and now you are thumping. Once you have found the fault and it has been located, you can now push the stop button. You are ready to repair the fault in the cable. If the fault needs to be conditioned, turn the dial to the burn setting. Make sure your min-max is at the minimum position. Leave your voltage at the same setting it was when you fault located. Now push the start button. Increase the voltage. As you're increasing the voltage, you will then see it is burning the cable. You can verify that by the lower graph. Once you feel you have conditioned the cable enough, turn the knob down to the minimum, push the stop button. You can now turn it to the thump setting, and now you can do the thump process again.